Okay, let's start. Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy a new car?
Yes, of course. He bought a new car.
Did Carlos buy an old car?
No. Carlos didn't buy an old car. Carlos bought a new car.
What did Carlos buy?
Carlos bought a new car.
Yes, Carlos bought a new car. Carlos bought a new car. Was the car expensive or was the car cheap?
It was expensive. Carlos bought a very expensive car.
Yes, he bought an expensive car. He bought an expensive car. Was the car small?
No. It was huge. It was huge car.
It was a huge car. Yes. Was it a huge bicycle?
No. It wasn't huge bicycle. It was a huge car.
Who bought a huge car?
Carlos. Carlos bought a huge car.
What color was the car?
The car was it was a blue color.
Yes, it was a blue color car. It was blue. Was it green?
No, it wasn't green. It was blue color.
Yes. While driving down the street, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. What did he see while driving down the street?
Carlos saw a girl. Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle while driving down the street.
Yes, while driving down the street, Carlos saw a girl. While driving down the street, did Carlos see a girl in a car?
No. She was on a bicycle.
Yes, she wasn't in a car. She was on a bicycle. She was on a bicycle. Yes. Where was Carlos driving?
Carlos while driving down the street.
Yes. Driving while කියන කැලේ එන්නේ නේ. Driving down the
Driving down
street.
the street.
Yes. While කියන්නේ අතරතුර කියන එකනේ. එතකොට දැන් මේ while driving down the street කියලා කියන්නේ මෙයා මේ drive කරන අතරේ. දැන් මම මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ අහන්නේ where was Carlos driving?
Carlos driving down the street.
Yes, of course. Carlos driving down the street. Where was the girl?
Girl on a bicycle.
Yes, girl on a bicycle. She had long blonde hair and she was beautiful. What did she look like?
She had long blonde hair and she was beautiful.
Yes, she was beautiful. Who looked beautiful?
The girl on a bicycle.
Yes, the girl
the
was
girl
on a bicycle.
Who was on a bicycle.
Yes, Carlos yelled to her. Carlos yelled to her. Did Carlos, what did he yell?
He yelled, "What's up?"
Yes. Who yelled, "What's up"?
Carlos. Carlos yelled, "What's up?"
Did the girl yell, "What's up"?
No. She didn't yell, "What's up?" Carlos yelled, "What's up?"
Yes. Did Carlos yell to a boy?
No. He didn't yell to a boy. He yelled to a girl.
Yes, he yelled to a girl. What did he yell to the girl on a bicycle?
He yelled, "What's up?"
Yes. After he yelled, "What's up?" did the girl ignore him?
Yes. She ignored him.
Yes, she ignored him. Who ignored Carlos?
The girl. The girl on a bicycle.
Yes, the girl who was on a bicycle. Did Carlos ignore her?
No. She didn't. He yelled to the girl. He didn't ignore. But the girl ignored him.
Yes, very good. The girl ignored him. Carlos yelled again. Carlos yelled again. How's it going? How's it going? What did he yell again?
Carlos yelled again. How's it going?
How's it going? Very good. How's it going? How's it going? Who yelled, "How's it going"?
Carlos. Carlos yelled to, how's it going?
Yes, Carlos yelled, how's it going? Carlos yelled, how's it
Yeah.
going?
How's it going?
After he yelled, how's it going? Did the girl stop?
No, no. He didn't stop. She kept going.
Yes, very good. The girl kept going. She didn't stop. Did the girl keep going?
No, she didn't kept. She
Yes.
didn't kept going.
Did the girl
She
keep
kept
going?
going. Keep
Yes,
going.
yes. The girl kept going. Who kept going?
The girl was keep going.
Yes, the girl kept going. That's it.
Kept
The
going.
girl kept going.
Kept
Oh, second, the girl kept going.
Yeah.
Keep going. The girl kept going. He yelled again. Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant. Where did he want to take her?
He wanted to take her to an expensive restaurant.
Yes, very good. He wanted to take her to an expensive restaurant. Carlos asked the girl, why won't you talk to me? Why won't you talk to me? Would the girl talk to him?
No, she wouldn't talk to him.
She wouldn't talk to him. Who wouldn't talk to Carlos?
The girl wouldn't talk to Carlos.
The girl wouldn't talk to Carlos. Yes, she wouldn't talk to Carlos. Carlos wanted to go to dinner with her and he yelled, I'll take you to an expensive restaurant. What kind of restaurant did Carlos want to take the girl?
He wanted to take her to an expensive restaurant.
Yes, an expensive restaurant. Well, an expensive restaurant. He wanted to take her to an expensive restaurant. He said, I'll take you. I will take you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant. Did he want to take her to a cheap restaurant?
No, he didn't want to take her to cheap restaurant. He wanted to take her to an expensive restaurant.
Yes, very good. Finally, the girl turned. She got off her bike and she looked at him. She said, I don't want to go to dinner. Did she want to go to dinner?
No, she didn't want to go to dinner.
What did she want?
She wanted to his car.
Yes, she wanted his car. She wanted his car. Who wanted Carlos's car?
The girl wanted Carlos's car.
Yes. Did she want Carlos's bicycle?
No. She didn't want Carlos's bicycle. She wanted Carlos's car.
Whose car did she want?
Carlos's car.
Yes, she wanted Carlos's car. Did she want Carlos's car or did she want Carlos's truck?
She didn't want to Carlos's truck. She wanted Carlos's car.
Yes, she didn't want Carlos's truck. She wanted Carlos's car. She said, if you give me your car, I'll give you a surprise. What did she say?
He said, okay.
What did she say? What did what did the girl say?
I will give you a surprise. She said,
if you give me
your car, I will give you a surprise.
Yes, very good. If you give me your car, I'll give you a surprise. What did Carlos say?
He said okay.
Yes, he said okay. Who said okay?
Carlos. Carlos said okay.
Yes. Who did Carlos talk to?
The girl.
Yes, the beautiful girl. To the beautiful girl. After he said okay, what did he do?
He jumped out his car.
Yes, he jumped out of his car. He jumped out of his car. Whose car did he jump out? Whose car?
His own car.
Yes,
He jumped
yes.
out.
He own car. His own car. His own car. He jumped out of his own car. Yes. Then he gave her the keys. He gave her the keys and says, here are the keys. Here are the keys. What did he give her?
Keys. The car
Yes.
keys.
Yes, yes. He gave the car keys. The car keys. Who gave the keys to the beautiful girl?
Carlos. Carlos gave the keys. The beautiful girl.
Yes, Carlos gave the keys to the beautiful girl. Who did Carlos give his keys to? Who did Carlos give his keys to? Carter.
The girl.
To the beautiful girl. Yes, he gave his keys to the beautiful girl. දැන් who එකක් එක්ක අවසාන to එක දානකොට ඔයාට තේරෙන්න ඕනේ did එකකුත් දානවනේ. who did එක. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කවුද කියන එකට අපි who එක did දාන්නේ නැහනේ. ඒතර who එක did දාලා අගට to දානකොට ඔළුවට එකපාරටම එන්න ඕනේ. කාටද? මේ ආයෙත් අහගෙන ඉන්නකෝ. Who did Carlos gives his car? Sorry. Who did Carlos give his keys to? Who did Carlos give his keys to? Who did Carlos give his keys to?
He gave his keys beautiful girl.
Yes, he gave his keys to the beautiful girl. What did he give to her?
His keys. He gave to her his keys.
Did he give his house keys to the girl?
No, he didn't give to the house keys. He gave to the car keys.
Car keys. Yes, car keys. The beautiful blonde girl took the keys. The beautiful blonde girl took the keys. What did she take?
She took the keys. She
Yes.
took the car keys.
Yes. Who took the keys?
The girl, the beautiful girl, took the keys.
Yes. What kind of girl was she?
She was beautiful girl.
Yes, she was a beautiful blonde girl. What kind of keys did she take?
Car keys. She took the car keys.
Yes, yes. She took car keys. Who took the car keys?
The beautiful girl took the car keys.
Yes, the beautiful girl took the car keys. And after she took the car keys, she kissed Carlos on the cheek. She kissed Carlos on the cheek. Who did she kiss on the cheek?
The beautiful girl.
Who did she? Who did she? දැන් මෙතනදී ආයෙත් අර who එක did අහපු ගමන් ඔයාගේ ඔළුවට යන්නේ කාටද? Who did she kiss?
She kissed Carlos on the cheek.
Yes, Carlos, of course. She kissed Carlos on the cheek. Where did she kiss Carlos?
She kissed Carlos on the cheek.
Yes, on the cheek, Where did she kiss? On the cheek. Where did she kiss? On the cheek. Again, where did she kiss Carlos?
She kissed Carlos on the cheek.
On the cheek, yes. Did she kiss Carlos on the nose?
No. She didn't Carlos on the nose. She kissed Carlos on the cheek.
Yes. Who kissed Carlos on the cheek?
The beautiful girl.
The beautiful girl, yes, the beautiful girl kissed Carlos on the cheek. What did she do?
She kissed Carlos on the cheek.
Yes. When did she kiss Carlos on the cheek? After she?
After she took the keys.
Yes, after she took the keys. She kissed Carlos on the cheek after she took the keys.
The key.
She kissed Carlos on the cheek. After she took the keys. After she took the keys, she kissed Carlos on the cheek. Did she kiss Carlos before she took the keys?
No. She didn't.
She didn't kiss Carlos. She
Carlos.
didn't kiss Carlos before she took the keys. මේක මෙයා ඔයා කඩා ගන්න. දැන් මම අහන ප්‍රශ්නේ මෙහෙමනේ. Did she kiss Carlos? Did she kiss Carlos? එතන එක ප්‍රශ්නයක්. Did she kiss Carlos? Carlosට kiss එකක් දුන්නද before she took the keys? අන්න එතන එක කෑල්ලක්. මේ before she took the keys. මොකද්ද? යතුරු එයා ගන්න කලින්. Did she kiss Carlos? Did she kiss Carlos before she took the keys? ඒතර ඔයා උත්තර දෙනවා. No. She didn't kiss Carlos. එයි මම අහපු ප්‍රශ්නේ මොකද්ද? Did she kiss Carlos? ඒතර ඔයා ඒකට උත්තරේ දෙනවා. No, she didn't kiss Carlos. හරිද? අහන එකේ අරක ඉතුරු කෑල්ල මොකක්ද තිබ්බේ? Before she took the keys. ඔයාත් ඒ කෑල්ල ඊට පස්සේ කියනවා. Before she took the keys. බලන්නකෝ. Did she kiss Carlos before she took the keys?
She didn't kiss.
She didn't kiss Carlos. ඉතින් කඩා ගන්න. Did she kiss Carlos before she took the keys?
No, she didn't kiss Carlos before she took the keys.
Did she kiss Carlos before she took the keys?
No, she didn't kiss Carlos before she took the keys.
Yes. දැන් අර ප්‍රශ්නේ අහනකොටත් මම පොඩ්ඩක් එතන ස්පේස් එකක් දීලා කියන්න. හරියටම කියන්න. Did she kiss Carlos before she took the keys?
No, she didn't kiss Carlos before she took the keys.
Yes, very good. Okay. මේ කෙනෙක්ට මම ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරාට අනිත් අයත් මේ තැන් අල්ල ගන්න. Okay. She kissed Carlos after she took the keys. She kissed Carlos after she took the keys. After she took the keys. Yes, after she took the keys. After she took the keys and after she kissed Carlos, what did she do? After she took the keys and after she kissed Carlos, what did she do?
She jumped in the car.
Yes.
And she drove away.
Yes. After she kissed the car, she jumped in the car. Did she jump onto her bicycle?
No. She didn't onto her bicycle.
She didn't jump onto her bicycle.
She didn't jump onto her bicycle. She jumped in the car.
She jumped in the car. Did she jump into the car or did she jump onto her bicycle?
She didn't jump to her on a bicycle. She jumped in the car.
Yes, she didn't jump onto her bicycle. She didn't jump onto her bicycle. මේ දැන් කඩා ගන්න උත්තර දෙනකොට මේ she didn't jump onto her bicycle. She jumped in the car. පොඩක් හිතලා උත්තර නිකම්ම නෙමෙයි. පොඩක් හිතලා උත්තරේ දෙන්න. She didn't jump onto her bicycle. She jumped in the car. She jumped in the car. Again, did she jump into the car or did she jump onto her bicycle?
She didn't jump onto her bicycle. She jumped in the car.
Yes, she jumped into the car. She jumped into the car.
She jumped into the car.
Yes, she jumped into the car. Yes. Whose car did she jump into?
Carlos's car. She jumped into Carlos's car.
Yes, she jumped into Carlos's car. Yes, Carlos's car. After she jumped into Carlos's car, what did she do?
She drove away.
Yes. After she jumped into Carlos's car, then she drove away. Did she walk away?
No. She didn't walk away. She drove away.
Yes. She didn't walk away. She didn't walk away. She drove away. Did she run away?
No. She didn't run away. She drove away.
Who drove away?
The girl, the beautiful girl, drove away.
Yes. When did she drive away? When? At what time? After she jumped
Jump into the car.
Yes.
After she jumped into the car.
Yes. She drove away after she jumped into the car. After she jumped into the car, she drove away. Yes. Carlos stood on the sidewalk. He had no car. He had no girl. He said, "That's it? Just a kiss on the cheek?" Did Carlos get more? Did Carlos get more? No, he didn't get more.
No.
He didn't get more. What did he say?
That's it, nothing more.
That's it? Nothing more?
Nothing more.
That's it? Nothing more?
Nothing.
That's it? Nothing more?
Nothing.
Who said that's it?
Carlos said nothing more.
Yes, Carlos said that's it. That's it? That's it? Just a kiss. Just a kiss on the cheek. Just a kiss on the cheek. Carlos stood on the sidewalk. Did he sit on the sidewalk?
No.
Did he sit on the sidewalk?
No. He stood on the sidewalk.
Yes, he didn't sit on the sidewalk. He didn't sit on the sidewalk. He stood on the sidewalk. Yes. Where did Carlos stand?
He stood on the sidewalk.
Yes, he stood on the sidewalk. Did he stand on the street or did he stand on the sidewalk?
She didn't stand on.
He didn't stand on the street.
Street.
Street can party. He stood
on the sidewalk.
Yes, he stood on the sidewalk. Was he happy when he stood on the sidewalk?
No. He wasn't happy.
He wasn't happy. He wasn't happy when he stood on the sidewalk. What did he say? What did he say?
He said, that's it, nothing more.
He said, that's it, just a kiss on the cheek. He said, that's it, just a kiss on the cheek. What did he say?
That's it.
Just a kiss.
Just a kiss.
Just a kiss on the cheek.
That's
just
it.
A kiss on the cheek.
Just
again.
On the.
What did he say?
That's it. Just on the cheek.
Just a kiss on the cheek. Just a kiss on the cheek. Just a kiss on the cheek. That's it.
That's it.
Just a kiss on the cheek.
Just cheek on.
Just a kiss on the cheek. Again,
the cheek.
Just හැමෝම අහගන්න. නේ? ඒ කියන විදිය. That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek. 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 That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek. That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek. What did he say?
That's it. Just a kiss on a cheek.
just a kiss on the cheek. Just a kiss on the cheek.
On the cheek.
Just a kiss on the cheek.
On the cheek.
Just a kiss on the cheek. Just a kiss on the cheek.
That's it.
Mami me
Just a kiss
kata
on
karana
the
nitara
cheek.
practice karannu. What did he say?
That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek.
That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek. He got on her bike and rode home. Did he ride to work?
No.
He didn't
He
ride to work.
didn't ride to work.
He
He
rode
rode
home.
home.
Yes, he rode home. Did he ride to his friend's house?
No. He didn't ride to his friend's house. He rode home.
He rode home. Where did he ride?
He ride home.
He rode home.
home.
Who rode home?
Carlos rode home.
On what? On what did he ride home? On what? Mokak matada? On what did he ride home?
He rode home on her bike.
Yes. He rode home on her bike. Very good. Did he ride home in a car?
No, he didn't ride him a car. He rode
on her
home
bike.
on her bike.
Yes, on a bike. He rode home on a bike. Okay, very good. Tamay andre dado ඔක්කොම ටිකට තනියෙන් උත්තර දුන්නා. හොඳයි.